Hello everyone, welcome to DevOps for You family. My name is Rajesh. We are seeing the Docker basics and Docker demos to understand the Docker commands in a better way. So today we are going to see what are the next set of commands that will help us to validate the Docker status. Okay, so if I go and search, okay, first of all, if I just want to have the Docker containers that is running docker ps. Okay, so if you see, this will give us what are the running containers. Okay, but I want all the running as well as the stopped container. Yeah, you see, this will give you all the docker, all the container that was stopped, and that means exited. Okay, so now I want to start this container. You can use the name or the container ID. In order to start the container, you just give docker start. I'll just clear the screen. Docker start and the container name. Yeah. So now if you do a docker ps-a or it's running, right? So no need for a. So grep -i and 29 AUG. I'm just giving this one. If you see, so now the container is running. If I want to stop the container, I will just go and say stop 29 AUG 25. This will stop the container. Okay, the name will AUG 25. Yeah, so now if you see, if you issue the same command, it won't give you because we have stopped the container. In order to see the stopped container, you need to just give ps-a. Okay, so now the next command what we are going to see is, if I want to remove this container, that means if I don't want this container anymore, so I want to kill the container. For that one, we'll be using docker kill followed by the docker, the name of the container. So if you see, this container is docker kill because this container is not running, right? So that is the reason it's saying it's not able to kill. Okay, if you want to kill that one, okay, what we will do, we will go and just remove the container using container rm followed by rm is container. It will go and remove the container, right? So it will be 29. Yeah, now if you see, the container got removed, so there won't be no container that will be running. Or even though if you see, with the ps-a command, we are not able to see the container name which was already created using 29 AUG, but this was 29 AUG 2025, but the one I deleted is 29 AUG 25. Okay, now if I want to also, if I want to just delete this container also, that I can able to do 29 AUG 2025. This will delete this one. Okay, now if I want to delete the container image, not the container, or I can say there will be two things, right? One is the image. From the image we are creating the container. For any time if you feel like you don't need the image anymore, then I know the image name. For that one, docker rmi. For the container, it will, for removing the container we will use rm. For removing the image we need to add I. So rmi, that is the container image, followed by my container. Or what I will do, I will just check container docker images. From this I will try to remove any maybe the nginx container with latest tag. Okay, I don't want to remove my container, so docker, this is only for the image. Okay, nginx, if you just hit enter, if it's having the latest tag, because if you don't give any version specific, it will try to fetch the latest tag. So if you see nginx is, it's saying it's no nginx latest, right? Okay, what I will do, maybe I will remove this. I have to add rmi. Why? Because only rm is used to remove the container. Here we are removing the container image. You see, now the container is using the reference image, so you can just hyphen f flag. Yeah, if you use the hyphen f flag, it will be get forcefully removed. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be publishing the next video with some additional docker commands. Thank you so much, guys.